The April property market had a lot to contend with. There were 2 consecutive long weekends, school holidays, an election campaign, and the speculation of rising interest rates. Yet the market remained steady, and auction numbers exceeded any previously on record for the month of April.
Melbourne's Outer East again recorded the second highest auction clearance rate of all regions, performing 5.7% above the average. CoreLogic's home price indices reported a decline of 0.1% across the metropolitan median dwelling price. This is the 5th month of flattening conditions, although they have been micro decreases that have made little impact on buying or selling conditions in Melbourne's regions.
Whilst it's being touted the market is now becoming more favourable for buyers than sellers, at Noel Jones we're still witnessing strong buyer inquiry. Whilst traditionally federal elections stall the market, we also know that historically, once an outcome is determined, the market usually returns to its normal state. And with less property on the market, competition will no doubt be strong, which will positively impact prices.
Melbourne's rental market continues to strengthen. The April vacancy rate was reported as 1.7%, which was a further 0.1% improvement from the March result. This is in comparison to a vacancy rate of 4% just 12 months ago. Melbourne's vacancy rate is now only 0.1% off the March 2020 figure and 0.6% off the record low that was recorded in 2018. The City of Whitehorse and City of Manningham recorded monthly improvements of 0.5% and 0.4% respectively.
On 3rd of May, after months of speculation, the Reserve Bank increased interest rates for the first time in 11 years in a bid to curb soaring inflation hitting households. The RBA's 0.25 percentage point increase was passed on to customers of the 4 big banks within less than 24 hours of the announcement. Although this will impact some market segments, as we're coming off an all-time low base, this should contribute to a stabilisation of the market rather than a downturn in prices, with the vast majority of clients building in speculative increases into their figures before making recent purchases.
For more property news, head to noeljones.com.au.